Hey guys, today I will show you how to add screen shortcuts in your quick settings. Let's get started. So, swipe down from the top right corner and open this tab. Then tap on this pencil icon and here tap Edit. Find in this menu Take Screenshot button. As you can see, it added the active buttons. Then tap Done 2 times. So let's test it. Open Quick Settings, swipe down to see more, and tap Take Screenshot icon. So as we can see, it took screenshot, open with gallery, and you can also edit it. And now you know how to take instant screenshots from any app with just a use quick settings. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.